Hey guys, Tom here for the Velocity YouTube channel, back again for another video. We're here in the showroom today with this awesome Nassau blue Bronco. Now, disclaimer, this one is sold. This was built specifically for a customer. So if you wanted a truck just like this, you would have to buy a slot and build one with us. The really cool thing is when you do that, if you see anything on this truck that you might change for yourself, you can personalize. But again, disclaimer, this one is sold. For 2026, we have rolled out a ton of new options and new upgrades and new little things that you can do on our core product offering, and this one has a lot of them. So really excited to walk you around this truck as if you were stood here with me. All right, so let's start where we always do, which is this paint color. We talked about seashells on the seashore blue the other week. This is another sort of island-based color, if you will. This is Nassau blue, a really, really nice, bright metallic blue, very, very similar to Brittany blue, but just with a slightly darker undertone. Brittany blue really is like a baby blue metallic, whereas this is more of what I would call ocean blue or a true blue. And I think that's where that color name comes from, Nassau. Really, really nice color. So core color on this one is Nassau blue, blue metallic. Coming around the front of the truck, and if you watched our videos before, you'll recognize most of these pieces that are there on a Signature Series Bronco by Velocity. Starting with the headlights, these are a Holley Retro Bright LED headlight. They look like the old school halogen lamp, but in fact they are LEDs. So they're super bright, very high lumen count. They're really, really good for visibility. The grille here has all been painted. This is a Gen 1 Bronco grille. Whole vehicle is a true Gen 1 Bronco. It's not a kit car, it's not a upfitted or changed like body kit vehicle. This is a true Gen 1 Bronco. So of course you get this front end look. You can paint this in Wimbledon white if you wanted to. Go on the configurator. We'll put a link down in the description if you wanted to see what this color would look like with a painted Wimbledon white grille. But this customer kept it all that Nassau blue, and I think that's the right choice. I think it looks really smart. Chrome front bumper, of course the Ford badging on the front as well. If you have watched videos on Velocity channel before, if you've gone on our configurator, you actually may recognize these wheels, but you won't recognize them in this color. And that's because these are almost the exact same wheel that we use on our blackout package, just not blacked out. They're in chrome, like a polished finish. These are a Method faux beadlock wheel. So really, really popular on our blackout package. And this is something that we've started to offer now as part of our Signature Series range. Just a couple more wheel options. You know, I think they look fantastic. They look a little bit more aggressive. That's the first option. Coming down, there's some more things that you would normally see. All of the chrome accents on the side of the truck. So side mirrors, the door handles, all these are the OEM fitments. So new parts, of course. Second big thing that you will have noticed is this soft top, but it isn't any soft top. This is Velocity's custom soft top. This soft top is completely proprietary to Velocity. We make basically the whole thing in here. There are some parts that come from other suppliers, but essentially this was designed particularly boxy profile soft top, also with some extra features. So this soft top is really cool, not only because it comes in different colorways and has this nice form factor, but also because these sides are removable, the back is removable, so you can run just the top if you want. You can roll these up, clip them in. They also come with like quick release pins everywhere. So this is not like a normal screw. This is actually a pin that you pull that's on a popper. So really easy to take on and off. It's awesome. And again, something that we're going to start making more of and offering to customers. I just love it. I love how it looks. If you step away further from it, the form factor of the soft top, I think, just really works with that Bronco silhouette, maybe in a way that some of the other soft tops that are available on the market don't. So it's really cool. Come around the back of the vehicle then, and again, kind of similar to the front, pretty standard Gen 1 Bronco tailgate with a couple of extra options. Tailgate doesn't have any sort of chrome trim. The customer didn't really want any of that sort of surround stuff. It does have, of course, the Velocity build badge and the chrome bumper. Customer wanted it super clean, and I think it looks great. We were just talking about the soft top. Now you can see it in action. The back of the tailgate is connected to the soft top by all these little poppers, so really easy to remove. And then if you do want to get in the back of the truck without having to worry about like actually completely taking the top off, you can just do that and you get access to the back, which is nice. Keep stuff dry. You'll notice when that was popped on too, the seals all the way around this top are really, really tight. Normal soft tops that are available on the market, they do sell out for slight water ingress. This is really, really well sealed. That was something that was really important to us. Back of the truck is covered in this material here. This is actually a floor mat. It's made by kind of our synthetic bamboo weave material. It looks great. It's also in the front as well. This is on the back of the tailgate just to give it some extra protection. That was something the customer wanted, as well as in the load area here. Load area, of course, has lots of space. You can fit golf clubs and beach chairs and coolers and all that good stuff. Also, the back seat does roll and lock forward as well if you need extra space there too. So normally with a Velocity Bronco, you get a couple different choices in terms of leather materials. You get vinyl, things like that, but it's about 5 or 6 different colorways, right? Now, moving forward, we have lots and lots of different variants. I don't even want to do the maths on it because you'd be multiplying like 30 times 12 insert colors by 6 different seat, blah, blah, blah. It become a massive number, right? But we're basically offering lots more customization. And the first thing I want to talk about is this door panel with the material. So this is actually a leather. And now normally before we only had 2 leather, or 3 if you count black, leather options. This is a completely different leather option that would normally only be available in our Heritage Series vehicles of other models. This is Canyon. Canyon leather is kind of like a gray brown leather. It's really nice. It looks fantastic. And it just gives a slightly different texture and tone to anything else that we would normally offer on a Bronco. So the customer opted for that. They also opted for, if I move around so you can come closer here, Mac, this amazing carpet. And you will have seen carpet inserts on a couple of Broncos before where we've been testing things, but we now have, and don't quote me on this because I'm probably under quoting the number, but I want to say 12, 14, it might even be as many as 16 different carpet style inserts like this. They're all classically inspired. Some of them are the true original carpet that you could get back in the 60s and 70s that have been continued from the same suppliers, from the original ones from Ford. So it's just really, really cool. This one is not an original carpet. It's a slightly different style, but it's really, really nice. I love the blue detail that matches the Nassau blue on the outside. Kind of has this gray with the white, the cream. It just looks really, really nice. Sitting in the seat is super comfortable. I do have adjustability forward and back, as well as the backrest as well. We do have a full headrest on this seat, nice side bolster support as well, so really, really comfortable. Steering wheel, it is the standard Signature Series Velocity steering wheel, the wooden rim steering wheel with the chrome spokes. It's tried, true, tested. People love it. It's always a talking point, the fact that the steering wheel is wood. People really like that. Final thing, of course, is going to be this dial. It is the instrument cluster. It looks original, but of course, in Velocity fashion, it's all new. It is a Dakota digital instrument cluster. So you turn it on, there's a little screen. You can see the Velocity Flying V there in that screen, and it gives you information. This truck's got 653 test miles on it. You can see what gear you're in, what your live miles per hour is. But if you wanted to change things around, you can switch through the different options as well. The guys have even tinted some of the text in blue to match the rest of the paint color, which is awesome. Other thing that the customer opted for, which is becoming a pretty standard option here, is going to be an extra electronic parking brake. So you do normally have your parking gear that you would just sit and use, but if you're on a particularly aggressive incline or decline and you want to park the vehicle overnight or something, you can press this button here and it will activate an electronic parking brake. We mentioned when we were looking at the door panel, the different materials that we're now offering. This angle is going to give you a better look at those materials. So this Canyon leather, again, a kind of dark gray brown sort of a leather. It's really premium. It feels great to touch. It smells amazing, of course. That goes on top of, as you can see, the cubby box, this Tuffy box here, which does have this armrest as well. So as you drive in, you've got this nice padded armrest covered in the leather and the carpet. All right, final thing on our little sort of list of sort of custom things that you can now do that you couldn't do before is actually going to be the floor mats, right? We talked about them in the back in the load area. What we didn't talk about though is the color. So the floor mats, that bamboo synthetic weave normally only comes in 2 or 3 different colors. Guess what? We're now offering even more. And this one in particular matches almost exactly, in fact, exactly these seat inserts. So it's got grays and blues, that Nassau blue floats in there as well. So it just looks brilliant, wraps the whole truck together, which is cool. Let's talk about some technology next. We'll start with this notch over here. This thing controls your transfer case. So easy as flicking that switch, just like on a modern truck, you can do that. You don't have to mess around. Do have a light switch here, which is old school, high beam, low beam, all that normal stuff. They're automatic as well. All right. So if you're out driving at night, you don't have to worry about pulling that. They will just come on. Wash wipe, we're going to talk about that a little bit in a minute, I think, but wash wipe we have here as well, and this is actually a sprayer now as well, a nozzle, which is cool, so it does spray the windshield if you need it. Moving to the right, you have AC, very simple controls, but a really nice system behind it, the Vintage Air AC system, very powerful, blows very, very cold and very warm when you need it too, really easy to use. Final thing to note is going to be the infotainment. So this is actually a Pioneer single DIN system that is touchscreen. So when you press a button, and also you can set it up so it's on ignition, this thing folds up, folds out. It's really cool. It has Apple CarPlay, it's easy to connect to your phone. And if you did do a backup camera, that would appear there too. When you don't need it anymore, you just fold it away. How cool is that? I love that, that's nice. I think that's about it. Probably one of my favorite interiors that we've built over the last few months. It's just that next step above, like I said earlier, that kind of Signature Series Plus that we're beginning to offer now. Really cool. Of course, if you know Velocity, you know that you won't find a 302 or an original engine in here. Of course, it all is brand new kit. This is a Gen 4X Coyote. It's a 5-litre V8. It produces around 460 horsepower, and it is a crate engine from Ford. So this was not taken out of a crash damage vehicle or anything else and then put in here. It is a brand new engine, brand new for this vehicle. These Coyote engines, if you've done any research on them or if you know anything about kind of the Ford product offering, are a super reliable engine. They're really good. Modern trucks, the F-150 in particular, will use these as the V8, and they're good for 150, 200,000 miles easy. So really good, easy to work with engine there. Behind that is a 10-speed transmission, the 10R80. It's a 10-speed automatic. It shifts lightning quick. It's easy to use. Very nice when you want to accelerate quickly because of those lightning quick shifts, but also easy to use around town. It's not scary. For braking, we do have a Willwood hydro boosted disc brake system. So there are disc brakes all around this truck. Stopping power, of course, is as important as going power, so you want to be able to stop safely and in a straight line. I think that's about it for the engine bay. Underneath this vehicle is a Roadster Shop chassis. It's a brand new chassis by our friends at Roadster Shop. It's not the original frame. The customer wanted to pick a brand new frame, and it's a nice upgrade. It's obviously stronger because it's all brand new. The construction of the frame itself is different from an original, but also it just benefits from that peace of mind of knowing, hey, I've got the best product that I can get underneath there. Bilstein suspension all around this, of course, too. As we got into Q2 of this year, the production line vehicles all now have wash wipe, like jet washer sprays. And that kind of sounds crazy to say that it wasn't something as standard, but the truth is the original Gen 1 Bronco never actually came with that. This has always been an optional upgrade, and I want to say less than 5% of people ever chose it. But now, just because we're trying to do better and improve the product and improve what we offer, it is actually included as standard. So you can see the nozzles here on the underside of the hood. There's a whole jet wash system, and if I drop the hood here, you can see where they come up. Occasionally when we build a Bronco, I get a feeling that we might be building another one like it, like it's the first one of its kind, and we may end up doing one or two more. We saw that with Oak Green Metallic recently. We did one of those trucks. We ended up selling 3 more behind it. This Nassau Blue, we actually have painted it before, but it was a long time ago. It is a really nice and underutilized color from our paint family, and I really think combined with that interior that we went through, it looks insane. So this one is going home to its owner. It's not available for sale, but if you did want to buy one and build one yourself, check out the website, get in contact with the sales team. We can answer any questions there. It is, if it was your build, also applicable for financing, so you can actually get financing on these vehicles as well through a couple of our partners, Putnam, Woodside Credit, those guys. So if that's something you're interested in, check out the website. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.